What's up guys, welcome back. It's Kyle bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can get money or make money by watching YouTube videos. So if that's something that is interesting to you, and all you gotta do is stick around to the end so you don't miss out on anything in this video. So with that said, let's hop right into it. So what you want to do for the first step is go to your Google Play Store. Type in TV2. Should be the first one that pops up. Once it's downloaded, you want to click open. This will pop up every time you open the app, or every time you go back to the main menu. All you want to do is click the blue check mark. You do not have to download this browser app. You can click on any of these videos and you can make money just by clicking on them and watching them. You get 500 points per video if you watch the whole thing. If you don't watch the full video, you will not get 500 points. So if you go to the far right, it'll give you your balance. Mine is at 1,000. And the reason it is at 1,000 because I watched two videos. Go to your progress. I watched two videos, it gave me 500. If I did not watch the full video, it would not give me 500. Just a heads up. You could browse the web for more money. You can do surveys for more money. I have not done any of those because I don't want to download Brave. And I do not want to take the time to do the surveys right now. And if you go to settings up at the top right, it'll give you a list of these kinds of options that don't really pertain to anything. So if you want to request a payout, collect 100,000 coins for your first payout. You get 100 TTV transferred to your wallet. And in order to get 100,000 coins, you have to watch 200 videos. But the minimum payout is 50,000. So all you gotta do is watch 100 videos and you get 500 coins per video. So that's only 100 videos. It's like watching YouTube. See, this pops up every time. It's like watching YouTube in the app, but you're watching it on this app and making money at the same time. You watch anything. You can even search up somebody to watch. You could search up YouTube channel. You could search up your favorite content creator. There's trendings. Ivan on tech. Buy 250 plus coins at 0% fee. Crypto daily. There's all kinds of options that you could do or click on to make more money on this app. I've only watched 2 videos so far, so if I hit my first 100 videos I watch on this app, then I'll be able to do a payout. This app is very easy to use. There's not a lot of stuff that you need to understand on how to really use this app. All you need to do is watch videos, get coins, and cash out. So that's pretty easy. If you guys do decide to download this app and give it a try out for yourself, the link will be down in the description, or you could search for it in the Google Play Store. But with that said, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys have not seen the next videos on the screen, make sure you guys are watching them, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.